Hello good people, once again I welcome you to technical drawing solutions. Now we are going to learn about how to construct an involute of a triangle. So whenever we talk about an involute, we are talking about an equilateral triangle. So the first thing that you'll do is to construct the triangle that is given. Always we are given one side of the triangle. So we want to construct an involute of a triangle of 20 millimeters side. So the first thing is to construct the triangle, which I want to do here. So I want to construct the triangle like that. So that is one of my sides that I want to measure 20. That is my 20. I come to this point, make an arc there. So an equilateral triangle is what we want to draw. So I make another arc there. So after that, I will make an arc up there. I stand up here. I make another arc there. Then I'll join to come up with the triangle. Join them like that, and again join that one like that, and lastly join this one. So we have triangle A, B, C. So we want to unwound it. How do we unwound it? So we want to put receding lines. This line goes straight to that side. This line from CA goes straight downwards. So let me put it straight downwards. From C, I want to put it straight downwards. From here, it goes, the one for AB is supposed to shoot to that side. So we have the one for CA has gone down. So BC will go upwards. So BC goes upwards like that. So that is the first step. So we want to unwound. We want to unwound the string. So basically, when we talk about an involute, this is a rope or a string that is tied along the edges of this triangle ABC. Now we want to start unwounding that rope, and at the peak of the rope, whenever it touches the edge as we unwound it, that curve that it will make is what we call an involute of a triangle. So I'll start at point A, open my compass to point B. Then when it reaches at point B, I'll just draw. I'll draw it like that to this line here. This line here. Then we have not done. We want to draw another one. So we will stand. So this string is from C to this point. So for us to unwound this one to this side, we will stand at point C. So standing at point C, open your compass to this point because that is the length of the string at that point. Then make an arc like that. That is it. After that now, we now want to unwound it from this point to point B. So we will stand at point B, open our compass up to that point there. Then after doing that, we will make an arc from that point like that. Sorry. From this point, from that point there, we open to this point here, then we make an arc like that, to that point like that. So this kind of a curve is what we call an involute. Let me write the name. Of a triangle. That is what we call an involute of a triangle. It is just such easier. Now again, we want to do what we call an involute of a square. So when we talk about a square has got all sides that are equal. So I will draw that square. Let me draw the square here. Like that. square of side 15. So I'll use a side of 15. Now we are not using 20. So 15 I mean 1.5. So 15 is in millimeters, so 1.5 centimeters. That is it. Then I come here, I make an arc up there. I make another arc up there. And after doing that, I'll now join them like that. And that is now my square. Now after doing this, we want to unwound. Let me call this point A, B, C, D. Now what is supposed to be done here? From point B, we want to put a straight line to this side. So I have taken this line like that. Line DA will go downwards. So this line, I want to take it downwards like that. So we are done with this line. This line, I want to take it to this side. Let me just take it to this other side here. Though they will intersect, but there is no big deal there. Then lastly, this line, I'll just take it upwards. So that is how those lines will be. So now, let us start unwounding this. So we start from point A. So standing at point A, you open your compass to point B and draw arc like that. Good. Then next, you stand at point D, open your compass to this, where this arc reached, that is it. Then you stand there at D and make the arc like that. Good. Then standing at point C, open up your compass like that to that point. Then you make a nice arc upwards like that. Then lastly, standing at point B, down here, you open your compass to that end there. Then you make a smooth curve to this line here. Wow, such an amazing job. So this curve here is what we call an involute. So it's an involute of a square, so we call it an involute of a square. So this is an involute of a square. This is an involute of a triangle. So this is it. So if you've not understood, I kindly request you to wind up the video, the clip, and just watch. Continue watching more tutorials on drawing. I know we are heading somewhere. I thank you, and now you can subscribe, like, comment, share with your fellow trainees or trainers, or even your friends who are doing technical drawing as a unit in their course of competence. I thank you. Let us proceed learning.